We are pleased to show you the 2016 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, XM satellite radio, heated seats, traction control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, all-wheel drive, Bose sound system, quad seating. Your new ride is just a phone call away.